The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is truly a game changer, packed with an array of incredible new features that take an already outstanding smartphone line to new heights. If you've been holding onto a phone that's been around for at least 2 years, prepare to be blown away by the S24 Ultra's superphone capabilities. One of the standout features is its best-in-class anti-reflective display, boasting an impressive 2600 nits of brightness. Whether you're scrolling through your favorite apps or watching videos, the S24 Ultra offers a visually stunning experience that you can enjoy all day long. The camera system on this device is more versatile than ever, offering a wide range of modes to capture every possible shot you desire. From breathtaking landscapes to stunning portraits, the S24 Ultra has got you covered. And let's not forget about the AI features, such as Circle to Search and Live Translation, which make your daily tasks smoother and more effortless than ever before. Now let's talk about the price. If you're considering purchasing the S24 Ultra through a carrier plan with monthly payments, you'll be pleasantly surprised to know that it may only cost you an additional $5 to $10 per month compared to the standard S24 or S24 Plus. For just a few extra dollars, you'll be getting a whole lot more in terms of features and performance. Rest assured, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a phone for the present, but also for the future. Its advanced technology and remarkable capabilities ensure that it will continue to be an advanced smartphone for years to come. So why settle for anything less when you can have the best? Let's dive right into discussing the remarkable features of the S24 Ultra. Enhancing the display of a smartphone is crucial in elevating the overall user experience, and the Galaxy S Ultra line has always excelled in this aspect. Thanks to Samsung's sister company, Samsung Display, which is renowned for its expertise in display technology, Samsung phones consistently incorporate the latest advancements. However, this year's leap in display quality for the flagship Samsung phone is truly unprecedented. It's not just about the image quality on the display itself, although that has significantly improved. With a peak brightness that has soared from 1750 to an impressive 2600 nits, the S24 Ultra offers a visually stunning experience. The movements and animations are smoother, the color accuracy and vibrance are exceptional, and the device performs exceptionally well even under direct sunlight. But what truly sets the S24 Ultra apart is its revolutionary Gorilla Armor glass, developed by Corning. This anti-reflective and anti-scratch glass is a game changer. Let me share a personal experience to emphasize its durability. When I reviewed the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I had it outside of a case for just 30 minutes, and it already acquired a scratch on the screen that hasn't disappeared. On the other hand, I used the S24 Ultra without a case for 3 whole days, and not a single speck appeared on its screen. Even after extensive use, there isn't even the slightest hint of a scratch anywhere on the display. It's not just my opinion. The new display of the S24 Ultra has received high praise from experts. DxOMark, a reputable testing authority, has ranked the S24 Ultra display as the #1 among the world's best smartphones. While there have been some discussions about vivid color issues, I have already addressed them in my previous videos. Feel free to check them out for more details. The camera on the Galaxy S Ultra series has always impressed me, especially with its 10x optical zoom. So, when I heard that the S24 Ultra was reducing it to 5x, I wasn't exactly thrilled. I've always preferred the sharpness and clarity of the 10x zoom photos on the Galaxy S Ultra compared to the iPhone. However, the S24 Ultra surprised me with its new 5x camera. Despite the downgrade in zoom, it now boasts a 50-megapixel sensor, allowing it to crop in and utilize the extra data to produce incredibly crisp and clean images. In my tests, the results were just as good, if not better, than the 10x zoom photos from previous models. This improvement can be attributed to the fact that the new 5x sensor can capture more light, thanks to its improved aperture. It went from f/4.9 to 3.4, making a noticeable difference. While the digital zoom feature on the S24 Ultra allows you to go up to 100x, I still recommend sticking to 10x or below. Anything beyond that still results in grainy and disappointing images. I had an amazing experience with the S24 Ultra's various photo options. It offers an impressive array of modes that cater to different shooting preferences. Personally, I find myself gravitating towards the Pro and Pro Video modes as they grant me greater control over the camera settings, without relying on computational algorithms to enhance the shots. However, for most people, the standard photo and video modes are more than sufficient, except for one mode, night mode. Occasionally, this feature attempts to create a longer exposure, making the night scene appear as bright as day, which can sometimes ruin a perfectly good shot. Nevertheless, I discovered that by simply tapping the crescent moon icon to disable night mode, the resulting photo is almost always better. The camera's sensors excel in low light conditions without relying on the poorly implemented longer exposure features of night mode. Additionally, the camera system offers a range of other useful modes such as panorama, portrait, hyperlapse, slow motion, and food. However, if you're an experienced photographer who prefers shooting raw images, you'll need to download a separate app called Expert RAW. It would be great if Samsung could simplify this process and incorporate RAW shooting as an option within the Pro mode. Now let's not delve too deeply into the new Galaxy I features this time around, as we've already discussed them extensively. However, I must say that I was pleasantly surprised by how incredibly useful and effective these features turned out to be, although they still have room for improvement. From circle to search, live translation to note summarization, and even generative AI photo editing, they all worked remarkably well. But here's a word of caution. If you're solely drawn to the Galaxy S24 Ultra or any other S24 models, for these AI features, I would advise against making a purchase solely based on them. As fascinating and almost magical as they may appear, it's important to note that most of these features are powered by Google software. It's highly likely that these capabilities will eventually make their way to Pixel phones and other more reasonably priced options. So, if AI is your primary focus, I recommend waiting for the devices that will be released later in 2024. The latest S24 lineup from Samsung seems to be quite impressive. While the new Galaxy I features may offer some fancy tricks, they are not the main reason to buy this phone. The hardware features and refinements unique to Samsung, along with the exceptional camera system, are what make it worth the $1,300 price tag. The S24 Ultra stands out with its meaningful upgrades to the display, flatness of the screen, cameras, and the use of titanium materials. Unlike the standard S24 and S24 Plus models that resemble iPhones, the S24 Ultra maintains the distinctive squareness of the Galaxy Note series, giving it a standout look. Additionally, the S24 Ultra offers more usable screen space compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max due to its square corners. Overall, the S24 Ultra is practical, pleasant to use, and excels in various little ways. In a rapidly evolving smartphone market, these qualities are definitely praiseworthy. So, what do you think about the newest 24 lineup? I would love to hear about your experience in the comments section below. And don't forget to stay tuned to our channel for more exciting updates. Catch you in the next one. Take care,